Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Philips HomeRun 2000 series. In this setup I'm gonna show you how to do it with an app, so I suggest you installing the Philips HomeRun robot app, which you can find on App Store on iPhones or in Google Play on Android devices. So I have mine installed already and I'm gonna open that in a moment, but before that, first make sure that the charging base, which is here, is plugged into power. If it's plugged in correctly, then it should display a white light up here. When that's done, take your robot and place it on the charging base. At the bottom of the robot, you can see two metal parts, which should be aligned with the metal parts on the charging dock. So let me try to align it. Now the robot is on. To set it up, open the app. So I'm gonna go to the app and open that. Then it asks me to log in.
Hello. To get started, download the app. Starting to charge.
Okay, it asks me to log in, create account, or continue as guest. I'm gonna continue as guest, but it's up to you whether you want to do it as guest or not. So I'm gonna click on as guest. Continue. Then allow to access devices on local network. Then click on the Bluetooth permission, make sure it's checked. Click on continue, then allow to find Bluetooth devices, and then click on add robot. Then make sure location is checked and click on continue, then allow location. And now you can scan the QR code from the robot. So here is the QR code on the sticker. If you don't have the sticker anymore, you can just select robot vacuum cleaner and then select 2000 series, but I'm gonna scan the QR code so it's quicker. And now it asks me to enter the Wi-Fi network. So my phone is not connected to the network, so I'm gonna quickly reconnect. Okay. Now it has selected the network I'm connected to. I presume you can only select the 2.4 GHz networks. So if you have a 5 GHz network, your robot may not connect to it. Then enter its password. Then click on enter and click on next. Now you need to activate robot's Wi-Fi setup mode, and on screen of your phone it shows that you need to turn the power button at the bottom of the robot. So here at the bottom there is a power button which you can turn off or on. So I'm gonna flip the robot to make sure in what state it is right now. Okay, I've turned it on, as you can see right here. So now I can
Starting to
charge again. Then you need to press and hold both of these buttons at the same time for 3 seconds until you hear activated Wi-Fi setup mode.
Activated Wi-Fi setup mode.
Now you can release the buttons and click on done on your app. Then it tells you to keep the phone and the robot close together, then click on next, then click on join. It should join the robot's own network, then it should start connecting. So I'm gonna put my phone down here for a moment and I'll get back to you when it's done.
Connecting to Wi-Fi network. Please wait. Successfully connected with Wi-Fi network.
Now you need to set the robot's name. I'm gonna leave it as it is, but you can rename it here, then click on done, and now your robot is connected up here. Now it's starting to install update, and after that I'll be ready to use it. So I'm gonna wait for the update, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.